Okay, round two. I just watched the first video and I realized you get to see my nice stomach here, my work area, but you're not really focusing on me, you're focusing on the project. This is the paper I was talking about, just some just cheap paper. You can get a roll of it at Home Depot in the paint section. For those of you with nice workbenches, you can put this down and the glue gets on this and not on your nice workbench. I also found that on the video that because I have the phone now on the attached to the workbench, it vibrates the phone every time I do something, so sorry about that. We'll see if I can fix that in editing. I don't know if I can. Sorry ahead of time. Won't do much talking in this one. You've already seen how this goes, same basic thing, just a lot more pieces. So let's get started. Okay, that is it. That's a wrap. The interior port. Is built. So now next on the list as far as ports go, it's just the detail work, sanding, filling, things like that. I have to decide how I want to finish these. But that's it for now. Okay, one final look at the ports. This is the larger of the two. This is the one that'll go through the cab. The flange here. This will anchor it to the enclosure itself. Like I said, it's got some finish work, lots of finish work actually to do with it. So that's the one. Here's the other one. This is the taller one. The shorter part goes in the sealed section. Larger part goes in the port of the. I'm sorry, it's not a sealed section because it's 6th order. So the shorter part goes in the front section, which is actually the rear of the truck, and the longer part goes in the rear section, which is actually the front of the truck, like this. Here's the design. Longer section, shorter section. Motors will be inverted. So, let's look at that. It's not too bad. Got it pretty straight, I think. Gonna have some sanding to do. And again, same thing. I'm not sure what to do on the outside. This is the flange. This is what it'll attach to here. So yeah, that's about it. So the ports are pretty much done. I'm gonna move on to the next item, which is I need to cut the baffles. The rear wall for the larger ports. I have 3 of those to cut. That shouldn't be too hard. And then I have these 3 baffles to cut here, 2 sub holes to router out, and then of course the porthole. And once those are done, then I will be on to building the whole enclosure. So hopefully that can happen tomorrow night and Friday night. We'll see what happens with life in and of itself. Like I said, I've got a lot of projects going on at home here too, but I'm trying to make this happen during the week, and that seems to be working out so far. So stay tuned. Lots more to build. We'll keep making progress.